To increase instant deposit in Robinhood, you need to understand what instant deposit is and how it works. Instant deposit is a feature that allows you to deposit funds into your Robinhood account and use them to buy stocks immediately. First, you need to set up your bank account in the Robinhood app by going to the transfer screen and selecting Add New Account. You will be asked to provide your bank account details and verify your identity. Once your bank account is set up, you can initiate a deposit by selecting the amount you want to deposit and confirming the transaction. Robinhood will send micro deposits to your bank account to verify the ownership of the account, and once the deposits are verified, your funds will be available for instant deposit. To increase your instant deposit limit, you need to have a history of successful deposits and a verified bank account. The more you use the instant deposit feature and the more deposits you make, the higher your limit will be. Additionally, you can also increase your instant deposit limit by enabling two-factor authentication in the Robinhood app and by keeping your account information up to date. It is also important to note that instant deposit limits can vary depending on the type of bank account you have and the amount of money in your account. In summary, to increase instant deposit in Robinhood, you need to set up your bank account, verify your identity, initiate deposits regularly, and keep your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can increase your instant deposit limit and use the funds to buy stocks immediately. It is also important to note that instant deposit is subject to certain rules and regulations and may not be available for all types of accounts or transactions. You should always review the terms and conditions of the Robinhood app and understand the risks and fees associated with instant deposit before using the feature. By understanding how instant deposit works and following the steps outlined above, you can increase your instant deposit limit and make the most out of the Robinhood app.